Welcome everyone in the DUI, DWI and DFSG to the Week 10 DFSG Cup Tournament recap. I am Shiran alongside Esaran, who is filling in for Siren.
Thank you for that introduction, but why do I have to wear this outfit?
Because you picked the Detroit Lions to defeat the San Francisco 49ers a few weeks ago.
Oh, that does not make much sense.
This week the one gained first place with 100 points and a 100-44 record.
RD dropped down to second place with 99 points and a 99-45 record.
Triple H gained 99 is in third place with 97 points and a 97-47 record.
Ghost Lurker is in fourth place with 96 points and a 96-48 record.
Doczilla is in fifth place with 94 points and a 94-50 record.
Rebelator remains in sixth place with 86 points and an 86-58 record.
Now it is time for the Cybernetic Lock picks of the week. As usual, I will go first. This week my Cybernetic Lock of the week is the Indianapolis Colts over the Baltimore Ravens. The Ravens have been trying to fix their offense, while the Colts are working towards a playoff berth.
This week my Cybernetic Lock is the Washington Redskins over the Dallas Cowboys. The Cowboys struggled in Green Bay in a game they should have won, and look for them to go down to a Redskins team looking to make an impact.
And people wonder why you and Siren are behind in the Cybernetic Lock Championship. Anyway, we are almost out of time.
You know, you're lucky I decided to come here and co-host. I could have just said no, and stayed at home eating my tacos and burritos. I do not see why I came here, when I have to dress up in these ridiculous outfits and the other cyborgs make fun of me.
Well, it was your choice to come to the building. Stop crying and whining about it. You had your chance to come back to the Cybernetic family after you got upset, but you decided to join Lethal Injection. But this is not the time nor the place to discuss such matters.
A lot needs to be discussed, that is for sure. You should respect me, however, as I am one of the most successful jobbers in DUI history, and I am continuing my jobbing ways, and one day I will be a future jobber champion that I was born to be.
Keep telling yourself that. I have to get going to continue training for the Fatal 4-Way Women's title match at Insurgents with Mila, Lexi and Lady P1. I'm planning on bringing that belt into the Cybernetic family, thus adding to the Cybernetic family dynasty.
You think you are so great, because you are on a roll. I will one day get somewhere in my career, and I am still trying to get into DUI Incorporated. They have stopped returning my phone calls, but I see that they're interested. Everyone call 1-800-LIS for me for all your lethal injection, DUI, and DWI needs. At least Alexis has more class than you, she run you bargain basement. Out you kick me.
That is what you get for trying to berate me in front of the DUI and the fans. You best keep your mouth shut for the rest of this recap. Alright, anyway, we are out of time. I will be back next week with the Week 11 DFSG Cup Tournament recap, as well as an update on the Cybernetic Locks of the week. Good luck everyone with your Week 11 picks, and remember to make your picks for the Sunday games by Saturday night and to make your picks for the Thursday game as soon as possible. Good luck in Week 11 of the DFSG Cup Tournament.